Hi, and welcome to Triple C Trailer Sales in Waterville Lake, Michigan. Today we have a 2025 4-star 2+1 to show you. This trailer is 8 foot tall and has a 23.5 foot box. There's a fold-up step at the dressing room door, rubber on the floor, 3 saddle racks on a removable post. The roof is insulated in the dressing room and in the horse area. This box stall is 102 inches. There's a total of 4 roof vents. There is a Quiet Ride Stowaway breast bar right here that will go into that side. Stud doors are Quiet Ride. So you can, oh. Okay. Drop down doors with drop down bars at each horse's head. This is the Quiet Ride rolling divider. Show you how it moves to the side. All right, the rear ramp and side ramp are both easy lift. This trailer has stainless steel on the nose and a hydraulic jack. It's priced at $56,900. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 269-463-6121. Thank you.